Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Learners Club YouTube channel. Let's learn pronunciation. 10 more words you might pronounce incorrectly. This is the part 12 video. We have already learned pronunciation of 110 words. जी हाँ, अब तक आप हमारे चैनल के थ्रू 110 वर्ड्स की pronunciation सीख चुके हैं. याद रखिए, we are learning British pronunciation. First, we recapitulate the last 10 words. Say these words: plow, receipt, chaos, recipe, measure, chocolate, genre, butcher, opposite, shepherd. Now, number one, measles. Say this word: measles. Here S gives the sound of Z, E should be silent, and this S also gives the sound of Z. Measles. Say this word: measles. Number two, it's very tricky. Moustache. Say this word: moustache. CH gives the sound of sh, E should be silent. Britishers also say this word moustache. Long pronounce भी करते हैं, tash भी पढ़ते हैं और tash भी पढ़ते हैं. Say this word: moustache and also moustache. Number three, octopus. Say this word: octopus. Don't say octopus. It's wrong. To is wrong. Octopus. Number four, omelette. This E is silent. This T is also silent. And this E is also silent. Omelette. Say this word: omelette. Number five. It's very tricky. Congratulate. Say this word: congratulate. या आपकी आसानी के लिए हमने यहाँ लिखा है. Don't say congratulate. Cong पढ़ा जाता है, ये wrong है, con है, and pronounce होगा यहाँ पे congratulate. Say this word: congratulate. Number six, often. Say this word: often. This R should be silent and PH gives the sound of F. Often. Say this word: often. Number seven, pharmacist. Say this word: pharmacist. This PH gives the sound of F and R should be silent. Pharmacist. Number eight, possess. Say this word: possess. This S gives the sound of Z. This S should be silent and this S also silent. Possess. Say this word: possess. Now read this word: possession. Say this word: possession. Possession. The second last, number 9, because. Britishers also say this word because. दोनों एक्सेप्टेबल हैं. आप because भी पढ़ सकते हैं और because भी पढ़ सकते हैं. Number 10, the last word, of. Say this word: of. जी हाँ, don't pronounce of. ये जो F है ये V की साउंड देता है. Of. Say this word: of. Thanks for watching this video. Jazakallah. Subscribe the channel, The Learners Club, and ring the bell icon.